What are you doing, guys? Huh? Planning the big escape? Huh? Are you planning the big escape? I think you're planning the big escape.
Bozo sees himself in that thing. See that?
Yes. Oh, he's looking behind. Maybe there's a third bird in there. Is there a third bird behind? Oh, huh? Oh my goodness. Yes, it was a bird. Hello, Harley. And Harley sees a bird in there. Hello, Harley. Hello, Harley. Hello, hello.
Investigate.
Hello, hello. Hello, hello.
This is quite the adventure for Harley.
Is it an adventure for Harley? Yes, it's an adventure for Harley. Yes, sir. What's wrong, Bozo?
I'm not going to say anything. We have friends. Do we have friends? Hello, Bozo. Bozo and Harley, we have friends. Yes, and look where Harley's going. Hello, Harley. Oh my goodness, Harley's on Mom's knee. Harley's on Mom's knee. What's going on? What's Harley doing? I don't know. Is that Harley? I think that's Harley. Yes, I do. I think that's Harley.
What you doing? I'm not looking at you. No, I'm not looking at you. Hello, boys. Hello, the boys. Somebody had a very good little sleep this morning. Did you like to have a good snooze? Are you now awake and ready to do some kind of exploration or something? Oh, yes. Ready to do some exploration. Bozo? Are you going to be the leader? Who's going to be the leader today? Is it going to be Harley the leader today? Or is it going to be Bozo? I don't know. We'll have to decide who's going to be the leader. Yes. Where are we going to explore today, I wonder? There we go. You're going to have a little talk to Harley?
Hi, Bozo. Hi, Bozo. Oh, we gotta say hello to the COVID bird. Hi, the COVID bird. That's what Bozo is, just the COVID bird. Hi, Bozo. Yes, sir. There, huh? Bozo the COVID bird. Yes, sir. We're gonna change his name to COVID. Huh? You got that.